Hello guys! While waiting for my viewers, uh, let me share you my Facebook, my live to my Facebook business page para at least continue siya. So, okay. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, all over the world and wherever you are right now. I am here again. So, my name is Julian again, and I'm a business owner, proud business owner, and a business mentor where we help individuals to jumpstart their business. And I am here today for our 31st 31 na day, 90 days success challenge. O ba, 'di ba? Siguro nagtataka kayo why I have this guitar. Pero alam nyo, ang nakakatawa, I tried learning how to play guitar kasi halos lahat ng lalo na sa mother's side, they love to sing and they love to play guitars, instruments. But ang alam ko lang na chords is daga, D-A-G-A. Grabe, no? And then, yung first na natutunan kong song is Hello, Hi, Jeans! Yung unang natutunan kong song is, yung Living on Love by Alan Jackson. Yung nakakatawa, alam nyo bakit? Over time, bakit yun lang yung natutunan kong song? Diba? Parang magtataka kayo, ano ba ito? Tanda na, yun lang yung alam niyang song, or ano ba ito? Matanda na, yun lang yung alam niyang chords, daga, at saka letter E. So, yes, ito yung kasi I want you to share something. Because our topic for today, our 31st day for today for our 90 day success challenge, and I want to share about time management. Alam naman natin na, 'di ba, having a time management is time management is a process of planning and exercising, 'di ba, over the amount of time until you will get used to it and to have more efficiency, more effective and more productive life or balanced life. Yun. So that's why I showed you this guitar, because I really didn't put time on it. I really didn't put time to learn the guitar. Oh, 'di ba? Talagang gusto ko naman siya as a hobby. At saka naiinggit ako dahil all of my sa family side ng mother ko, they love to play guitars, they love to sing. Pero ako, tinamad akong matuto ng guitar, o 'di ba? Kaya ang alam ko lang ang alam ko lang na i-play is daga. Yun lang na chords ang alam kong i-play, yung D-A-G-A plus the E. Yun lang yung alam ko. And the only song that I've learned how to play guitar is yung Living on Love by Alan Jackson. It's a country music and we love country music, by the way. So yun yung gusto kong i-share for today's topic. Time management, o 'di ba? Lalong-lalo na if you really want something and want to learn something, you should put at least time, 'di ba? Tulad ako, tinamad akong matuto ng gitara. So, wala. Yun lang, hanggang doon lang. So, nagme-meron-meron na lang ako pag the family is here and to sing. Ang gagaling pa nilang matuto ng mga second voice, o 'di ba? Because they put time in it. They made sure na at least in-improve nila yung skills nila by giving time, by giving effort, o 'di ba? Ako, ewan. Tinamad siguro or naging iba ang priority kaya ganoon. But this is what I want to share, and especially that time, 'di ba? Sabi nila time is a finite thing. Finite means may beginning at saka may end. So we know how we will manage our time well, supposedly kasi alam naman natin na may beginning at saka may end. So dapat alam nating ayusin, 'di ba? Pero the tendency for us sometimes we got lazy, or sometimes may mga bagay-bagay na bigyang importansya, so napapabayaan. And the tendency is we do multitasking. O, 'di ba? Nagmu-multitask na tuloy tayo. So pag nagmu-multitask tayo, parang mabilisan lahat. So it will be productive, but the quality, think of the quality. Is it yung quality ba, mataas ba ang standard, or tama ba? 'Di ba? So hindi parang pagmamahal 'yan, hindi parang love 'yan na walang ending. So you have to, keep working on it. But for time, may beginning at saka may end. Alam naman natin 'yan. Uy, may tao. Alam naman natin na may beginning and may end. So, we should know how to prioritize, and we should know how to give effort in it, di ba? Parang bigyan natin ng oras yung mga yan. And by doing it, we should also be flexible. Di ba? Maging flexible sana tayo. Oy, Uncle Joel, hi! Thank you for watching. Sis Lori, you're here. Oy, thank you. And Zap, hi! Hi, Zap. Yes, biglaan lang para hindi mawala ang nasa isip. Kasi it's all working on my mind right now. So I have to go live rather than para mawala yun. So yun yung sinasabi ko about time management. So yeah, tendency, nagmumultitask tayo, and multitasking is good, but does it really give, or more productive ba siya, or does it really give quality ba pag nagmumultitask ka? That's the thing. And then time management gives more greater productivity and more balanced life, o di ba? Kung hindi lang tayo makontento sa tama lang, ganyan, or okay lang, ayos na yan, yung ganun. Wag lang po. We should be more on that, 'di ba? Sabi ni sugar rush, coffee rush. Oo nga. Pero hindi pa ako nagkape, ha. So that's the one that I want to share with time management. And paano nga ba natin na ang time management, ang na-achieve ang time management? Hi, Mama. Oh, my mom is watching. So, we should have, sa akin, parang self-discipline. We should have self-discipline, di ba? Disiplinado tayo sa lahat. Kasi pag yun din yung tinuturo sa atin, so we should abide on those, pati rin abiding rules, kumbaga, o di ba? And we should have a strategic plan, at saka para ma-improve yung para ma-manage natin yung time properly, kasi nakaplano dapat lahat yan, because we know naman what's the beginning, what will be the end. So we should plan on it, and then yung habits natin, di ba? We should have an effective habit. That's why I joined this 90 Day Success Challenge, to gain habit. And then, when you gain that one, you know how to manage now your time, right? Parang naaayon din sa oras mo kung paano. Kasi kung may new habit ka, and new habit really needs time and effort and skills to improve. So you have to do it over and over and over again to have that, but to gain that. Para masiksik mo din siya sa plano mo, at saka para masiksik mo din siya sa pagiging disiplinado mo, o di ba? Kaya forming a new habit is really hard. That's why I joined this 90 Day Success Challenge, and it seems like doable, effective siya. Nakikita ko kasi at least I'm giving time na do this thing on this go live, like giving myself like 15-30 minutes, and then that's it. Hi Cheryl, thank you for watching. And we should be flexible all the time. Flexibility, yun yung pag may bagong nangyari, or may bagong plano na nasingit, then we should be flexible all the time, right? So yun. So that's why I have this guitar, which is nakakatawa dahil DAGA lang. Hi sis! Tapos Living on Love lang yung alam kong gitarahin, di ba? Which is very funny. Because I really didn't put time and effort to it, to learn, di ba? And ito ang isa pa. yung nakasulat diyan sa aking title, 'di ba? Sa aking description. There is a saying that it says the key is not spending time but investing it. So, especially now that we've grown up, so wala nang oras sa mga ganito new pwede kang mag-form ng new habit, kumbaga, pero learning things that it will take really time. Parang you will put effort more on the something that will give more importance to you or more investment to you, yung parang pagbalik, 'di ba? So, the key is not spending time but investing it, especially having this business. Sa tingin ko naman, kasi ang daming nagtatanong if I'm offering it to everyone or I'm sharing it to everyone, sasabihin sa akin, or yung tanong is, do I really have time? Or I don't have time for that. Yun yung laging sinasabi. Hi, Charis! Yan yung laging sinasabi, di ba? When I joined, me too, I asked myself, kasi ano yan oras lang talaga ang kalaban natin. But if you will see, doable siya. Masasabi ko siyang doable. Even if you are a very, very busy person, it's really doable, and it is a good fit for you kasi we have that system working for you. We have that proven system that works most of the heavy jobs for you. 90% of it. O, diba? Saan ka makakita nun? And only 10% you will give to yourself to do the job. And that is what I'm talking about, that the key is not spending time but investing it. So you're investing into something that it won't eat a lot of your time, but something that works for you at the background or behind you, for your future or for your dreams. So that's the good thing about this business. When I joined, natanong ko rin yan sa sarili ko, do I have this time? Do I have enough time to do this, or to run this business? Yes po, opo. Just try to have a look at it. And then, kasi makikita mo talaga na kahit na very busy person ka, I will say yes. I would say yes. You really have enough time. Yang 30 minutes in a day, pag sinabi kong 30 minutes in a day, sasabihin mo pa ba na hindi yan doable? 'Di ba? Sasabihin mo pa ba na hindi tama, hindi yan business, or something is ano? I can say yes. Your business is still running na dahil we have this proven system that really works for you 90% of the job. And you only spend 10% of it, di ba? Hi, Sis Gilda, thank you for watching. And Elisa, thank you. So that's the beauty of having this business. So try to look at it. www.josenkit.com, diba? And you will see, just enter your name and your email address, and you will see the overview of our business. So that's the one that I'm talking, that the key is not spending time but investing it. Yeah, you invest right now, as early as now, because over time that one will grow. 'Di ba, pati sa stocks, 'di ba? You see naman, stocks, if you go into stocks, you really need to be patient, and you really need to spend more time. Just let it grow there for a long period of time, and then you have to watch it, 'di ba? Parang ganun din to sa aming business, na the key is not spending time but investing it. You invest into something that, you investing your time into something that will be productive and give or helps you on your day-to-day basis, diba? In your daily spendings, diba? So that's the one that I want to share. Doable po talaga siya, and hindi mo kailangan mag-spend a lot of time. 30 minutes will be enough every day, and we have that proven system that works for you. We have the coaches and mentors that will help you anytime, 24 hours in a day, because we are located, or we are global, worldwide po ito. So someone is always there to help you, and that's the beauty of our business. And Yung parang yun lang yung gusto kong i-share about sa time management. So, kayo, kung may share ba kayo about sa time management and planning? And all I can say is every day, if you want to learn something, spend every day exercising, forming a new habit just to be get used to the skills that you want to achieve. So, yun lang po. And tingnan ko kung may aakyat ba sa aking live. 'Di ba? Oh, sino pa yung may mga ano dyan? Yes. Thank you for all watching, guys. And si Ate Cheryl. Si Cheryl, gusto niyang mag-share about sa time management. Maybe you can accept my invitation, Sis Cheryl, and to share something about having or how did you achieve your time management? Sa akin, I'm still balancing it pa eh, kasi syempre bago itong business sa akin, so I'm still learning how to manage my time. Oh, di ba, Sis Cheryl? Yes, if you can.
Napatakbo kasama yung baby.
Sorry.
It's
Yes, so
okay.
if you want to share something about time management.
Ay, nako, time management. Everybody have 24 hours in a day. So when you say we're busy, we're also busy. God is so fair and square. Lahat tayo, 24 hours in a day, di ba?
Oo.
So, ako as a mother of three and then as a nurse, talagang napaka-importante ng time management. Yung parang you are chilling pero at your mind, naka-manage na eh.
Mm.
Naka-organize na sa isip natin, di ba? Um, like right now, on the spot, hinihingal ako. Galing ako ng grocery.
Aba, nagluto mo. You see, we
Galing
are
ako ng
all very
grocery, di
busy,
ba?
but look at her.
Oh, I think that's the beauty of being a woman, girl power. We
Mm.
can do multitasking. So yung sa time management talaga, like, right now, inuumpisahan ko sa mga bata in the housework kasi full-time house mom na ako this week. So parang sa umaga pa lang pagkagising, nire-ready ko na yung mga babaunin nila para hindi na nagra-rush kasi parang you manage na your time. Meron ka ng schedule every day.
Mm.
Kasi it helps. Sumisigaw na yung baby ko, di ba? It
Sige
helps
na.
it helps us organize our day.
Yeah.
Magiging smooth ang flow ng araw pag naka-manage ang time.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Cheryl.
Yes. So
Hi.
halatang live, di ba?
Oh, di ba?
Yes.
Yun yung mas mahirap na trabaho, especially for mothers. Hi! You see, because, at saka mas magaling kayong mag-manage ng mga time kasi with all these kids, with all the households, o di ba? With the family, di ba? Kainin pa, susunduin.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah,
hi!
multitasking. So
Yes.
yun. And then at the same time ngayon, nakakasabay ang business.
Oh, di ba? Yun yung kagandahan eh. That's what I'm telling and sharing
Oh.
na having a business is doable as long as you will see what fits for you. So,
Oh, sige,
hi!
magbababay
Oh,
na ako
sige,
But
bye-bye.
yeah, time management
Bye-bye.
is very important. Kung
Yes.
if you say you're busy, think again. Kasi lahat tayo may 24 hours in a day. It's a matter of how you manage your time. Bye-bye,
Yes,
sis.
bye. Thank you. Di ba? So, so yun, tamang time management. Pero yung talaga believe din ako sa mga mothers, sa mga, house husband, housewife, because they really manage their time well. And they are very, very good in multitasking. Meron talagang yan na yung na-mastery nila, yung multitasking, about sa multitasking. I mentioned a while ago that, multitasking is parang hindi maganda rin. Pero talaga namang hindi maganda pag minsan, lalo na kapag may bagong skill or may bagong activity or hobby or something is new, 'di ba? Kailangan nating i-manage talaga yung ating time. But the tendency is sometimes yun nga na na na-over na-overwhelm tayo sa mga nangyayari at pag minsan parang natataranta tayo, the tendency nagmu-multitask tayo. But for them, they're already been in there for being a mom for a while and being a dad for a while, and they are household husbands. So they are really the mastery of of multitasking, kumbaga, kasi they all do all the jobs at home. So they know they can manage their time very well. So pag bibigyan mo yan ng schedule, mas madali silang maggawa ng schedule kasi sanay na sila. But yes, so that is what I want to share regarding this time management. And dapat yung pinaka goal mo dito is to have a time to increase your effectiveness, your efficiency, and your productivity. So yun yung goal. So that's it for now for everyone out there. Thank you for watching, and thank you for my 5 million viewers. Yahoo! And have a blessed and stay pretty, stay safe, everyone. Hi, sis. Hi, sis Rachel. Nakahabol. And that's it. So I'll see you tomorrow on the 32nd of our 90 days success challenge. And yes, I'm doing this for personal growth, for professional growth, and to form a new habit because I want to manage my time as well, like you. I want to balance time as well. I want to master time management. So yes, sending hugs too, and that's it for now, ladies. Thank you so much, and have a good day, po. Have a blessed Wednesday. Thank you, thank you. See you tomorrow. Bye.